Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. So the local uptrend continues without a lot of upside momentum, I have to say. As you might remember from previous videos, we're tracking here either a C wave to the upside, which is the direct bullish scenario. If we get 5 waves to the upside from the 19th of May low, that will become a more, I would say, more probable. But anyway, we are looking for 5 waves anyway, because even in the blue scenario, the C wave, which is currently part of a flat correction, A, B, C, before we go down lower, even that C wave would be a 5-wave pattern. So it is quite simple to consider the orange scenario, the leading scenario, the clearly leading scenario. We need, first of all, the price to form 5 waves up in what would be, let me show you, what would be orange wave 1. I know that's not orange, I'll change the color in a minute. Then we will get a higher low. That's crucial. After 5 waves up, we need a wave 2 as a higher low to form. And then we can watch for higher wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Now give me a second to adjust all this. But the main takeaway is, in both scenarios, I'm watching for a 5-wave move up, right? That shouldn't be surprising. And that would be a 5-wave move up either in orange wave 1 or in, let me change the wave degree actually a little bit. In orange wave 1, yeah, or in blue wave C. So they are both moving together right now. And the idea was that we get a reaction to this support area anyway, either a reaction to start the B wave or a reaction to start wave 1 of C. So to keep the orange scenario alive, the condition was that the market needed to hold above the $2.15 level. Well, that's the case, right? The market is holding that level for now, or that area. So we even saw a first reaction, and this reaction is now large enough to not consider it anymore part of the direct downtrend. So this B wave has probably bottomed. Any B wave, okay? Both scenarios possible. And now we could be on our way higher, okay? So what do we want to see next then? Well, to confirm the orange count, as I said, 5 waves up. When we have these completed, I will add support for wave 2. Sometimes the movements aren't very clear, but if they are clear, I will add support. Condition is now, very clearly, if you want to trade the orange count, I can't tell you what to do, but the invalidation point is clear. The invalidation point would be the swing low from the 19th of May, because if we get 5 waves up, the wave 2 in orange must not break below the beginning of the wave 1. So this is the obvious invalidation point. In the blue scenario, we would get a larger wave 2. So the market, to confirm blue, needs to break below the 19th of May low. But for now, both scenarios remain plausible. In both, we want to actually see a 5-wave move up, which means we might just need one more high to form, potentially targeting $2.52, $2.58, or even $2.61. But if we get an increase in upside momentum in the resistance area and we get a break above resistance, again, also that would be more clearly the orange scenario. So I don't think there are any surprises at the moment. The structure is fairly clear. It will depend on the structure of the next pullback, and even the invalidation level is very, very clearly defined. Good reward to risk ratio anyway for the orange scenario. But also for blue, both scenarios are overall bullish, yeah? Don't confuse this with bearish and bullish. Both are for now bullish. It's just that the blue count allows for a slightly deeper pullback into the support area, but then you have a very clear invalidation point for the orange case, yeah? That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.